Blooket is great for solo play and homework, but some of our live games unlock a whole different level of fun. Team game modes transform your review session into a collaborative challenge, mixing strategy, teamwork, and friendly competition in the best way possible. And just like any live game, everything starts with choosing a question set and clicking host. From here, you'll see a list of game modes, and several of them now support team play. All users have access to team versions of Battle Royale, Blue Rush, and Classic. Yes, Classic now includes a full team mode. Blooket Plus users get 2 additional team game modes at the time of this recording, which are Laser Tag and Coco Cabana or Coco Cottage, depending on what time of the year you're playing. Coco Cabana and Coco Cottage are always team game modes, but the others are flexible. To turn any of these games into a team game mode, select one of the games and click Host. Look for Match Type in the game settings. You'll see 2 options, Solo or Teams. Switch to Teams and you'll unlock the team setup experience. Before starting the game, you can of course adjust all of your usual host settings like win conditions and more, and when you're ready, click Host Now and invite students to join. Once students have all joined the lobby, go ahead and click Start and you'll be taken to the team setup screen. This is where you'll build and organize the teams before actually launching the game. Depending on how many players join, you'll have the option to choose how many teams you'd like to actually play in the game by clicking on this dropdown. Players will populate into the teams and distribute automatically, but you'll have several other controls also. Shuffle teams by clicking on the Shuffle button to quickly randomize everyone for fresh arrangement and new team names. Manually swap players by clicking on one player and then another to swap their spots across teams. And you can of course kick players by first selecting the kick option in the toggle at the top and then clicking on that player and confirming to remove that player before starting the game. As you arrange the teams, students will see their name assignments update in real time on their screens, and each team also receives a unique color and visual styling, which carries into the actual gameplay. In modes like Laser Tag, your uniform, your name, and even your laser trail reflect your team's identity, and the same goes for the other game modes. And when applicable, friendly fire is disabled, meaning players can't tag or sabotage their own teammates. Once your teams look good, go ahead and click Start to launch the game. During the gameplay, students answer questions to power up their team's progress, whether they're tagging opponents in Laser Tag, battling head-to-head in Battle Royale, collecting and defending blooks in Blue Rush, or collecting and dropping ingredients in Coco Cottage and Coco Cabana, or simply competing for correctness and speed in Classic. In team game modes, leaderboards display both team rankings and individual performance. Host screens also display a full team scoreboard as well as individual stats for added insight. And because each game mode uses different mechanics, team identification will look slightly different across the games, but they'll always include great color or visual markers so you know who is who. Once the game ends, the winning team appears on the results screen for the host. Players will also see how their team performed as well as how their own accuracy and contribution added to that result. When you click on View Report, the full breakdown is available. Reports can be sorted or organized by players or teams, helping you quickly review how the class performed collectively and individually. This makes team modes especially powerful for cooperative review activities, competition days, and reinforcing mastery through healthy teamwork. If you want to explore each team game mode in more detail, check out this playlist right here. And if you'd like to learn more about solo games, which are perfect for homework or independent practice, check out this playlist over here. Either way, have fun hosting, and we'll see you in the next video.